Welcome back. I'm Roy with Rugged Badger Racing and Team Parts Badger. This is our Ecotec swap Miata that we race in Grid Life and ChampCar. I'm going to be talking a little bit about our experience with the Falken RT660. Now, if you watched my previous videos, you know I did a review on the Nankang CRS version 2s, compared that to our experience with the RS4s, the Rival 1.5Ss, as well as the RE71R tires. Since then, I've had a chance to also drive on the Kumho V730 and then now the Falken RT660. So overall performance-wise, this was a great tire. I was really happy with this tire overall, and we were able to lap somewhere I would say a little bit slower than the Nankang, but it was a pretty solid tire overall. Now, drivability, this thing was very predictable. I had a decent turn in, and I definitely could hear the tire too as I was losing grip, especially when pushing the front. You had a nice audible tone and you knew when you were pushing this tire. Now, we were running the car a bit loose and playing around with the wing. We also had some stability issues under braking because we were able to transfer so much weight to the front of the car. It took a lot off the rear. And we had an opportunity to get these tires hot. Now, when I got them hot, they definitely started to get a little bit loose, but it only took a couple of corners for this tire to really cool down and get back into the performance range. Now, overall, I do not know how these are going to wear, but I hear that these have pretty good wear performance and could last about an entire weekend, somewhere in the 14 to 16 hour range. And looking at these are still in incredible condition. Now, I have probably under an hour on these tires, but they look in phenomenal condition overall, especially because of the hot laps I was running. Now, talking about pressures, we were starting these tires pretty low once we got these dialed in. We had a starting pressure somewhere around 18 PSI. Target pressures between 24, 25 PSI in that range. That's what the pyrometers seem to like. Overall, most of the tires stayed around that pressure range, although I believe we were running the tire that had the least amount of weight. I believe we were running a little bit more tire pressure in that one overall. Nonetheless, the tires performed really well within that pressure range. Now, in my previous videos, I mentioned I did not run this tire because we had an issue with this middle band pulling up. On these tires, you can see they are still in really good condition. That was when I rented with a team. We were racing at Mid-Ohio, and this middle band pulled up within a few laps. That did not happen on this batch of tires. So overall, I'm really happy with the RT660, and I think I'm going to give this a shot with endurance racing. At first, I was a little bit nervous. I thought I could last the sprint, but I was nervous about endurance racing. But I got to say, this is a pretty impressive tire overall. Now, in comparison to the Kumhos, because I also had an opportunity to drive the Kumho V730s, that was a good tire as well, but I know that was a bit slower. I think these RT660s are going to give me just a hair more performance, especially because I can get them in the 245/40/15, where the Kumhos I have to run a 225/45, might even be a 225/50/15. Any bigger tire you get on the Miata, it really doesn't like it. You want to keep the tire as small a diameter as possible. There you have it, my review of the RT660. I'm definitely going to give this another shot with endurance racing. I might also have a set of Kumhos on the line. I don't think I'm going to run the Nankang simply because of budget. Now, I believe the Nankang is actually a faster tire. It certainly felt faster. Now, I didn't race back-to-back, but you just didn't have the absolute grip of the Nankang tire. I really felt like the Nankang tire could grip better than this one. Nonetheless, the RT660 definitely seems like a solid tire. Maybe even it edges out the V730 a little bit more, and I believe it's going to work out okay on wear as well. If you like this content, please remember to like and subscribe below. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching.